Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by charging the watch above 50% and powering it on. This prevents interruptions. Open the companion app on your phone, grant Bluetooth and location permissions so pairing can proceed, and sign into your account for cloud sync. Once done, tap Pair in the app and confirm the matching code displayed on both devices to establish a secure link. Make sure Bluetooth stays on and the devices remain within a few feet until the initial sync finishes. Once paired, you configure the core features. Pick a watch face and add complications for one-tap access to the things you use most. Then enable health sensors and set personal goals, because accurate baseline settings improve tracking quality. Make sure notifications and background app refresh are allowed if you want real-time alerts, and install only the apps you need to avoid battery drain. Finally, adjust haptic strength and do not disturb schedules, so the watch behaves properly during meetings and sleep. You finish by forcing a manual sync and confirming that settings are backed up to the cloud so you can restore them later. Make sure firmware is up to date and set a lock screen PIN for security. Enable Find My Device in case the watch goes missing. Once configured, verify sleep and activity schedules so tracking starts automatically. If anything goes wrong, restart both the watch and phone, toggle Bluetooth, and repair. Only perform a factory reset if those steps fail, since reset erases local data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.